Morgan, thank goodness I bumped into you here. I have a bit of a problem.
Oh, hey Clarisse. What's wrong?
Well, I was in my room freshening up my vocals, but then I made this weird noise.
What kind of a weird noise?
Well, it sounded like this. I think there might be a glitch in my system.
Oh, that's just hiccups. That sometimes happens.
Hiccups? Is that what this is?
Yeah, they go away eventually. It's completely normal.
Well, if you say so.
Tell you what, how about I help you find a way to get rid of your hiccups?
I would like that very much.
And I think I know just the cure. Follow me to the kitchen. The most classic cure of getting rid of hiccups is a good old glass of water.
A glass of water sounds nice, but won't my system malfunction when I drink it?
Oh, don't worry about that. Me and Molly made some adjustments to you and your siblings' systems, so that way you girls won't malfunction when drinking a certain liquid.
Well, I guess I can try a quick sip.
Alright then, because I think it's time for... Water Hazard! Here you go. One fresh cup of water.
Thank you, Morgan. Well, as humans like to say, down the hatch.
So, did it work?
No, I don't think it worked. Sorry, Morgan.
Darn it. If drinking water didn't work, then what will... Oh no. Clarisse, whatever happens, I am very sorry.
Sorry for what?
For this. Did that work?
No, it didn't work either. And please, don't ever scare me like that again.
Alright, I won't. Maybe you were right. Maybe there is a glitch in your system. Come on, I'll fix you up at the lab.
Good idea. Let's go.
So, how do you feel?
Let me see. my hiccups. They're gone.
Turns out there was a glitch. One of your gears was actually loose.
That explains why my hiccups started happening.
Yep, and I'm glad I was able to get rid of your hiccups.
I couldn't agree more. Thanks for your help, my little music note.
Anytime, Clarisse. Uh-oh.
Oh goodness, looks like you have hiccups too.
Yep, it looks like it.
You want a glass of water this time?
Sure, I'd love that.